Hey guys, welcome to MotoVlog. Brony again. So today we'll be, knowing like with the simple things that what we have by using that how to be, do the motovlogging. So why need GoPro? Let's get started with the basic, equipments or the gadgets that we have. Okay, then let's get started and use a MacBook for the editing that I'll be using. And so here is the lens. You will get it around like 200 rupees is what I'll be using. So this lens actually so mobiles are kind of not an wide angle lens which it has, so that it won't cover that wide. So you have this. So using this lens you can capture wide angle like a GoPro. So GoPro is a wide angle lens because the bigger lens that it has, and this is just a normal one. So yeah, this is the lens that I'll be using. You can see there are different lens in here. So this is 180 degree lens actually. So what you can see here, so 180 degree lens, and this we are not using actually. So what we are using is the two things. One is my macro and 0.67 wide angle lens. This is a macro and 0.67 wide angle lens that will be used. So how to use it? Just have this kind of clamp in here, so you just put it right there on the camera. So here, this is how you'll be using it. So I'll give you the difference, like how actually it works.
You can see here, this is without the wide lens. Let's just see with the wide lens. This is how with the wide lens. You can cover more by the edges. So you can see.
This is an iPhone 7. You don't have 3.5mm jack in here, so I had to use an adapter which costs around 1000 rupees, 1300 rupees. So if you have a normal phone, that you just can use a normal earphone to plug it in with a 3.5mm jack. So here it is. So I'll plug this in, and so this one is a normal earphone. Any normal earphone will do. You can use any of that. So I just have cut those two in-ear earphones. I only have mic with the 3.5mm jack here. So this helps to keep it in an helmet properly. So I'll be connecting this to here, and that just goes right to the mouth inside the helmet. Let's get into the helmet, like how I made it set up to place in the camera. So here there is a screw. I have attached the same, and so here it is. I drilled a hole and I use a nut over there. And this whole setup, what you can see, this is a Sophistic the part that just connects the camera mount. Okay, so it will be round in shape, the behind the aluminium one, that what you can see. So just have to hit hard to make it flat, and you just have to mount however it is required inside for you. So this is how it works, the mount, and so that it will be very sturdy. It won't move so easily, so it won't be fell down very easily. For this there is a video in YouTube, even I have referred to one for this. So yeah, so here is the Sophistic Mount what you have. One screw here, and with this helmet, so here you can see, so here it goes right in here like this. So it goes right in here like this with the holes here, and you just can put that screw which goes right there, and the nut on the other side. So just tighten it and make sure. Okay, this is how the setup is. You just have to keep this outside, like you can mount the mobile right in here like this, so that wind flow comes this way. So wind flow will be there this way, and the mobile won't fall down. So if you keep it ulta, then what happens is mobile tends to fall down. So you can move this however you want, like what direction, like what you exactly wants to cover. So this is how it actually looks. Okay, so I will place the mobile phone here like this. So you can see. So this is how it actually looks like. You can mount it anyway. Even like this also you can mount it. No problem with that. See here, this is how it is. So this is how from the behind it looks. So the mic you can keep somewhere here. Once you put that thermocol one which I removed it, so you just put it like this and put a tape on it, so it records properly. Okay, this mic I was talking about. Yeah. Just put the extra wires, everything inside somewhere here. Just use this. So okay, and this earphone that you will have, the waist earphone also which works, which has a better mic quality. So you just use, this is a normal earphone that I will be using, and it gives a good quality of sound too. So without any disturbance, because there is no disturbance because it goes right in here inside, so there is no wind blast or anything. It is very near to your mouth, so it gives a good clarity of sound. So this is how I wear, and I'll adjust. I'll run the video here. I'll keep it that way, and all these wires goes in. You can put 2 rubber bands here, so that it will be very sturdy. Probably it won't fall. So I rode up to like 80 to 100 km/h with this setup, and it won't comes back, or else it would fall. The mobile won't fall because the air comes this way, and it stops the mobile. You just can't remove this setup anytime, so you can remove this and you can keep it aside, and or else you just can keep it. So wherever you want, you can just bend it over to this behind, and you just can keep it this way, so that you can do. And this part is like detachable, and you can keep it anywhere that you want. So don't use some of the videos shows that you can keep this directly in here with a lot of tapes rolling around, and even the MCLs they'll be putting. This helmet that I have spent around like 5,000 rupees, and I don't want to make it look very bad on the roads. It comes to body strap. So body strap, you won't get a shaky videos. So you can see it here. You can see this here in the body strap, and this goes definitely like the same as an helmet mount. Okay, just placing this, but this nut is not enough for this. You will just have to use another nut which probably fits properly for this. So you can see here. So yeah, that's all. So if you like this video, so please do like, share and subscribe this video, and I need your support for this to bring a lot of new content for you every week. So I have the videos right there, which I went down a road to capture the reactions, but I didn't use a wide angle before because I have ordered it. It just came now, so I'll be making a video too in the next time with a wide angle lens. With the normal lens, how does that looks, you will have that video in the description below, or else you will get the high card up there, so that you will find that video link, so you can just see how I made a video with this normal setup.